back to my channel. I'm Jeanette with Jeanette Owens Art, and I'm going to show you a really fun little project to do today for a kid's bedroom. Very colorful piece of artwork. If your child's old enough, they could probably help you with this. I did make this for my granddaughter who's turning 2, and she's getting a new bedroom design because her sister is coming soon. So they needed more room, and her theme is going to be a rainbow watercolor theme for her bedroom. So I took a bunch of crayons and I hot glue gunned them onto the canvas that I already painted with white gesso. So I painted the canvas first white, then I hot glue gunned all the crayons on, and then you use your heat gun and just heat up the tips of the crayons with the heat gun and tilt your canvas back so the wax runs up, and you can use your heat gun to kind of blow the wax into the direction back and forth to kind of give you a, more of a design if you'd like. But it makes a really fun little piece of art for a children's room. So let's get going on this, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Now that I have all my crayons hot glued onto my gesso covered canvas, this is a 12 by 16 canvas, I'm going to use my heat gun and heat up the top of the crayons and let the crayons make their design onto the canvas. So here we go. way. I think that is pretty cool. Makes a really neat painting to hang in a child's room over a bed. Isn't that cool? I'll bring you in for a close-up. I just hot glued all the crayons on as evenly as possible at the bottom of the canvas. And once I had those on, you just heat up your heat gun and you start melting the crayons. And kind of just help with your heat gun guide up your wax lines up the canvas. The ones on the end, they tend to run off the edge a little bit here. Same on this side with the pink, as you can see. But it's really cool. They kind of all start to blend and mix together. And I just think it makes a really fun painting for a child's room. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. Y'all take care, and I'll see you next time.